It's snowing.
Do a snow angel.
Okay, we'll do a leaf one. It's time to cook supper, y'all. Today is most definitely a soup day, and we're making Sloppy Joe soup. We're putting in 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Is it snowing where y'all are today? Or have you already had the first snow of winter? I know some people start getting it super early. This is probably the earliest we've had snow in quite a while. I don't remember it snowing in November in many, many years. I could be wrong. We don't get a lot of snow here, so anytime we do see snow, we get excited, even if it's just flurries. We're gonna chop this half of the onion and put it right in here with the ground beef. You can use minced onion if you don't have a fresh one or just don't feel like chopping it. Okay, so we're going to cook this until the ground beef is done, and then we'll drain it. We make it all in this one pot. I'm going to go ahead and get my other ingredients ready real quick. Oh yeah, and we're going to make some garlic breadsticks to go with it. So I'll go ahead and preheat the oven for those. Here's the other stuff we're gonna need. We've got ketchup, beef broth, chili beans, diced tomatoes, fire roasted diced tomatoes, some Sloppy Joe mix, a little bit of hot sauce, salt, pepper, and chili powder. What do y'all like to make on a snowy day? I mean, of course, you know, ours is just a flurry kind of day. Okay, we're almost ready to drain this. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, we're draining the chili beans, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Because I'm going to use this can to put my beef drippings in. I'm not going to rinse the chili beans, just drain them. Okay, we're going to turn this down to low for a minute. We'll go ahead and put in the chili beans. Okay, and I'm going to put in the packet of Sloppy Joe mix now. And do the whole pack. Smelling good. We're just getting started. Fire roasted diced tomatoes. These are not spicy. A lot of people ask about that. They're just fire roasted, so it doesn't mean like that they're hot. It's just fire roasted diced tomatoes, tomato juice, sea salt. So there's no like spices in here. They've just been roasted over a fire, I assume. Diced tomatoes. about a teaspoon of chili powder. Maybe just a tad more than a teaspoon. Stir all that together, and I'll turn this back up to medium now so we can get it simmering. Now if you want to have Sloppy Joe chili, you can stop right about here because you're going to have the chili look going, because it's not, you know, it's super thick right now. But you don't want to forget the ketchup. Even if you want to go Sloppy Joe chili, you gotta put the ketchup in. We need about 1.5 cups. I'm just gonna eyeball it. And there you have Sloppy Joe chili. We're going Sloppy Joe soup, so we're gonna put in some beef broth. We're gonna put in just a couple of drops of hot sauce. A little bit of salt and pepper. And there we go, Sloppy Joe soup. We'll let it start to simmer. We'll give it a taste test, see if we need anything else. And I used a little over half of this beef broth. That's good, y'all. It's like Sloppy Joe in soup form. If your kids don't like soup but they love Sloppy Joes, try this one on them. I believe you'll have a winner.
Can I taste test it?
Yeah. Is it good? Does it taste like Sloppy Joe's?
Tastes like chili.
It tastes like chili?
Yeah, but
Do you get a little hint of Sloppy Joe?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Oh, I'm just using these breadsticks, y'all. New York Bakery original breadsticks with real garlic. This is a quick meal too right here. 20 minutes. And you're eating some cozy Sloppy Joe soup on a snowy day.
Folks, the weather outside is frightful. I just heard that on that TV. And
Bing, bing,
yeah,
oh bing.
Old Bing knows. And we got some kind of soup here. It's kind of like a chili mix.
I'm not going to tell you what kind it is. You just eat the soup and then I'll tell you what kind of soup it is.
It's good. Take another bite. Let me smell it. It's kind of got the smell of spaghetti, but almost a taco taste.
Okay.
It's really good. Pizza or taco, one of those.
Sloppy Joe soup.
Sloppy Joe?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. And I'm not a Sloppy Joe man.
No, that's why I wasn't going to tell you at first.
But it is really
because
good.
then I thought you might be like,
I like
hey.
it in soup form.
I'm making the kids some hot chocolate in the French press. This is our favorite kind, Nestle. Not that we've tried all kinds, but of all the kinds we have tried, this is our favorite. Let me get my little tablespoon thing here.